something big is coming to this channel. It's the biggest change and kind of the biggest project that we've ever had, which we're super excited about. And obviously, if you've been following Allie and I over the past several years, since like 2019, we've really been focusing on e-commerce content, mostly Amazon FBA, Etsy, Walmart, and all of that, which is a great opportunity, and we're still doing, and is going better than ever. However, there's a business opportunity that Allie and I have been doing since about 2019 in August that is generating us the most money per hour of effort, and we see as an even bigger opportunity than Amazon, Etsy, and these other online businesses.
Definitely.
And for the next couple of weeks especially, and kind of ongoing, we're going to be allocating more time to really reveal and talk about this, because right now there's literally nobody talking about this online business opportunity. It is insane, and it's actually insane that nobody else is talking about it, but we are going to be the first here on this channel. So big things coming soon with this kind of change. Like we said, we'll be focusing maybe a little bit less on just Amazon FBA, just Etsy, although that will still be coming. So it's not, total change out of nowhere, but we are going to be adding in some of this additional content, because the point is, we are not an Amazon FBA or an Etsy channel. Our goal and mission is financial freedom through online business.
Yes.
So we're always looking and testing the very best online businesses in the world. And with Amazon fees increasing recently, with, I guess, what else?
Oh my gosh.
Increased competition.
So many difficulties.
Increase in cost per clicks for Amazon, which as a seller, you're likely aware, again, still a great opportunity, but not as easy or as inexpensive as it would have cost in 2018.
Yes.
We're super excited to share more details with you here in the coming weeks. And as always, God bless you and your business. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.